Okay, so I remembered that I used an Allen wrench originally on these bolts, so I just put an Allen wrench in there. I'm really not going to tighten these super tight anyhow because I need to go get an alignment, so I'm just going to snug it up. So I got them both where I feel like they're both pretty parallel and straight, so I'm going to snug them up and then we'll move on to the exhaust. Okay, got my new bolt on this exhaust clamp. I think the other two are okay, so are you ready to watch me struggle putting this thing in? Oh, by the way, I had to use the welder again because the broken bolt, let's see, it might still be hot. The exhaust bolt that I broke off, I couldn't get this nut thing off of it. The vice grips were just spinning, so I welded a nut on the end of it. So thank you, $99 welder. Okay, ready for this? Here. Light in. Can you see what I'm about to do? Seems like it. Okay. Exhaust is heavier than I remember. Okay, here's the bolts, these two clamps. I got it pretty close here. I'm going to use the impact driver just because it allows me to kind of push the exhaust together tight and clamp it at the same time and hold the camera. Camera, clamp, exhaust. Is this gonna work? Alright, it's gonna take a little bit of prep before I can do it while holding the camera. Give me a sec. Okay, you'll have to, you'll have to trust me when I tell you I tightened the exhaust clamp bolts. There was no way I was doing that while holding the camera. So, okay, moving on. Reconnecting the battery. See the lighting. Okay, let's fire it up. I'm gonna call that a wrap, other than a four-wheel alignment on this project. It worked out good. I'm surprised. It was pretty easy, actually. So yeah, if you watch the video, if you like this video, give it a like, thumbs up. Hopefully it was helpful to some people. I saw some comments of other people about to do the same job, so you know, hopefully it's helpful to you guys. And stay tuned, because I already got another project. This car, for about the last year, has had this clunking sound in the front end, the right front wheel. Clunks every time you hit a bump. And I watched a million videos about how it's the sway bar or whatever, the link. I've replaced those links. Didn't stop the clunking. I was thinking maybe it's the strut. But I don't know, after ripping that back apart, I feel pretty good about ripping the front apart now. So I'm gonna put the front end up on jack stands and pull all that plastic off and look under there and see what's up. See if we can find a source of that clunk. But it's not those sway bar links that, you know, I've seen a million videos of sway bar links. But I changed them, wasn't that. So, all right, thanks again for watching. See you later.